Welcome to iCloud. Looking to reach customers on WhatsApp? It's super simple. Here are 3 game-changing tools you need to know. They are your Facebook personal account, Business Manager, BM, and WhatsApp Business Account, WABA, Facebook personal account. This is used to create your Business Manager, BM account. WABA, short for WhatsApp Business Account. It manages the phone number you register on the WhatsApp business platform. When you use iCloud to reach your end users via WhatsApp, we help you create and manage your WABA. BM stands for Business Manager. It's a Meta-provided tool for managing your business presence across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp on behalf of your brand. To put it simply, your Facebook personal account is the key, BM is the toolbox, and WABA is your communication channel to the outside world. So, how are they connected? Let's break it down. Within BM, you can create multiple WABAs, and each WABA can be linked to several phone numbers. This entire setup allows you to centrally manage all your business assets across Meta's platforms. Now that we've covered what a WhatsApp business account is, let's take a look at what makes it so powerful. As long as you have the user's phone number, you can message their WhatsApp account directly. It supports rich messaging formats, including images, videos, documents, emojis, and up to 1,024 characters of text. You can add buttons to your messages to guide users with clear calls to action. You'll also get real-time message status, whether it's delivered, read, or failed. The system is fully open. From managing accounts and templates to setting up numbers and sending messages, everything is accessible via API for easy integration. You may even qualify for the verified green tick, proof you're an official business. Now, here's one last key concept. What is a BSP? BSP stands for Business Service Provider. It refers to WhatsApp's official partners, and iCloud is a premier one. You need a BSP to create your WhatsApp business account, connect with customers, and access powerful features like auto replies, chatbots, shared inboxes, and integrations. Without a BSP, you can't send or receive WhatsApp messages with your customers. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more about WhatsApp for Business? Get in touch with us today.